For your mind, you did for yourself, you know, no. You did talk, you did chat, you did do like the money just did flow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel today, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Edwina Dorber and welcome to Dwayne's World. As you guys can tell from the title of the video today, I'm gonna be doing like a hair install. I'm not gonna be doing it on myself. My friend is gonna be installing my wig for me. This is an old Amazon wig that I have done a review on, and basically she's just gonna go ahead and just, you know, revamp, redo the hair. Basically, like, she changed the entire hair. That's what it is. She bleached the knot, she did the edges, she ate and left no crumbs. Literally, that's what she did. Basically, this video is just gonna be like music in the background of her installing my wig, and you know, and that's it. So yeah, I just want to bring you guys along with me today. You guys can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and you guys can also go ahead and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Every single one of these platforms are going to be right here on the screen, or going to be in my description box below. And then also you guys can go ahead and check out my website at www.edripcrochet.com to get your latest crochet fitwear, dresses, sweaters, shorts. The list goes on, vacation outfits. So yeah, let's get right into the video today.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The bottom out of love, bottom out of trust, bottom out of dick. Bottom out of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Bottom out of love, play, bottom out of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. But never fall out of love with you. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it. Yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Get you.
guys so much for watching my video today. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and definitely comment down below. Share this video with your friends and families. And I just want to say thanks again to my sis for slaying this old wig. It feels so good. It's been on my head for like 2 days so far. Since she curled it, it's been exactly the same. And I just want to do like a review for you guys after she installed a wig. If you guys are a brand and want to work with me for like hair collaborations, go ahead and reach out to me. My email is going to be in the description box below, and you guys can go ahead and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. My social media platforms are going to be right here on the screen, and also you can go ahead and check me out in the description box below. And like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, share this video with your friends and families. I post every Sundays and Wednesdays on my platform, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later on.
True.